Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. We're in a slightly different location today. We are in front of my front door. I've got it open. Beautiful outside. And when I say it's beautiful outside, like God drew it up beautiful. Like it's not humid, it's nice and warm. It's the perfect day to paint this because my door has to be open for a hot second. Let me show you my door. We've been in our house 20 years this year, and it has seen better days. It was a bright red when we moved in. I don't even know what this is. It's like glue or something. I don't know. I don't know how it got there or why it's there, but it's nasty. That's got to come off. And then it's all chipped up and dirty and dingy and dated, so we are going to paint it. First things first, though, I'm going to take a sanding block, sand it down, and get rid of that, whatever that is. It's rubber. It's like rubber. I have no idea. But every time I see it, it looks like somebody wiped snot on my door. So it was time. It's time to do some general maintenance. I got to tape off all of the handles and hardware. And then, well, I'm going to sand it first and then I'll tape everything off. And we will get to cleaning after that. So it has to be scrubbed down. Prep your surfaces, y'all. You will not be sorry, but we're going to sand first, clean, and then tape. The hardest part was getting whatever this rubberized crap was off the door. Otherwise, it is sanded now and ready for washing. We're going to wash this whole thing. Margot keeps worrying that I'm about to walk out without her. I'm not going anywhere, hon. Sit down. Go sit down. Let me wash the door. Press record, but I use vinegar and water and to get all the soap suds off in a rag. So sorry about that. Vinegar, water, spray, rag. Clear all the soap off. Now I'm just letting it dry, and I'm going to tape off the handles and all that good stuff so that it doesn't get any paint on it. Okay, I'm gonna lay some paper down so that if I spill any paint, I'll probably just spill some paint, that it doesn't get on my floors. And then we're gonna start painting. And I'm gonna start by trimming off the inside of these panels. So I'm gonna use a brush for that, and then the rest I'm gonna roll. So stay with me. Okay, for my door I picked Modern Masters front door paint in yellow, obviously. It's gonna be super pretty. It is 1 hour to dry, 2 hours to recoat. So after I put the first coat on, it's gonna take 2 hours before I can recoat it. And that's what it says to develop its color and durability. So that's what we're doing, is 2 coats. I've never used it before. So this will be a first for me. We're going to try the Rust-Oleum front door paint. Hopefully it's good. If there was ever a trust the process moment, this is it. So this is coat one. I have wrapped my brush and roller in press and seal to keep them from drying out. And I think this is gonna definitely be more than 2 coats, just because I'm going over a really dark red with a really light yellow. So we've got 2 hours before recoat. We'll just wait. It's time for coat 2. Welcome to day 2 of painting my door, and it's not the paint's fault, it's my fault. I ran out of time last night. It looks good though. I should have known that covering the dark red with the light yellow was going to take more than a couple coats. We're already on coat 3. It's probably going to take at least 2 more to get the shadows off, and I'll show you what I mean in a minute. I already looked at my house from the street with the bright yellow. It's such a difference. It makes it just brighter and more inviting in the front entryway. I don't know why I went with the red, but yeah, it looks really, really pretty. Victoria and Jeff were like, ooh, what a difference, what a difference. It's a huge difference. But let me show you what I'm working with. Okay, so first of all, I want to sand. I've got a 600 grit. I'm going to sand off all these little boogers from the roller. So the roller deposited some heavy duty. Well, that is just like a dirt. I don't know where that came from. But you can see around the peephole. Maybe you can't. Yeah, you can. That it's just not, there are some shadows. It looks way more pronounced here in the camera than it does in person. But just little. In person, this is not really dark. You're seeing like a dark spot here. I'm seeing a tiny little spot right there. So I don't know, it's something wacky with the camera. It looks really terrible in the camera. There is some dark here. Definite, well, you can see it, definite darkness right here. So I gotta trim off again, and trim around the peephole. But other than that, I want to sand off where the roller left mark. Look at this. In the camera, it looks terrible. It doesn't look like that in person. Oh, oh my goodness. I'm gonna have to like really hit it with some. It looks like the first coat in the camera. I swear by all that is holy, it does not look like that here. It looks terrible in the camera. It looks good when I'm looking at it here. I have my glasses on. I don't understand. Yeah, but painting light over dark was like a big challenge. Probably should have hit it with a primer first, but I didn't. Because it didn't say I needed a primer. It's front door paint. They just didn't anticipate that I was painting over like a dark maroon with light yellow. That's on me. So I've got a 600 grit sandpaper because I don't want to sand through the paint, and I'm just going to take off the little sharp bits. Okay, this is 5 coats of paint and then some touch up here and there where it was still dark according to Victoria. I have to wait for it to dry, then we'll cut around the tape and pull that off, and then we'll see how it looks completely done. I really wish it wasn't dark and overcast so you could see how pretty the door is, but it looks really beautiful now. I'm super happy with it. Looks so good. And now my door is like bright and cheerful and happy. So thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.